another video, and for today's video I'm gonna try to recreate a sleeveless top that I had been seeing a lot lately on Pinterest and on Instagram. So this is Trois the label sleeveless top and I will try to recreate it. So you will need about 20 by 22 inches, and then just fold that and sew a straight stitch. So after sewing that, just loop the fabric inside out. On both ends of the fabric, tuck in about ½ inch to hide all the raw edges. Then I just iron the fabric. So on both ends of the fabric, I measured about 2 inch, and on the bottom of the 2 inch, I measured ½ inch. Sew a straight stitch on both ends of the fabric and also sew a straight stitch on the lines we just marked. Don't forget to backstitch every start and end of your stitch. Then it will look like this. Then just take your seam ripper and seam rip the side of the ½ inch mark we made earlier. For the straps, you can use an elastic, a ribbon, or you can make your own straps. So to make your own straps, you need about 1 inch and make a bias tape by folding sides inwards. Then just sew a straight stitch. So for this one, I'm gonna use an elastic, and you will need a safety pin to loop it inside those holes. So to loop the straps, you need to loop it on the bottom hole and then go on the upper hole and then go back to the bottom hole. So I'm just looping the straps inside one of the hole and pushing the safety pin inside the hole. So after looping that, I'm gonna loop it inside another hole. Then it will look like this, and then just go back on the bottom hole. Then just push the strap to create the ruffles. I also made one in beige, in a wool, and I made one from a scrap fabric of a pants. Again, thank you for watching, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! Bye!